Hi everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 7th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and I want to make a short video today just explaining the use of how I trade using the Taylor trading technique. And I generate these numbers every day using a series of complex calculations, and I generate a support and resistance, and today they were support at 39.68, resistance at 39.35, 38.68, I'm sorry, 39.35. And the market opened right at the previous day's close. This black horizontal line was the previous day's close. Now, the Taylor trading technique is most effective for determining the range that prices are going to trade. There are 10 points between each horizontal line on this chart, just to give you an idea of the number of points we're talking about. And my estimate, based on my calculations, was that the market was going to trade through this range. It's not always apparent where that range starts out. Knowing where it starts out, I can get a pretty good estimate using my calculations of where prices are going to end up. And the way I do that is I match the trading zone to the intraday high or low. And in this case, the intraday high or low, as it usually is put in within the first hour of the trading day. And market opened here, right down here at 39.06, traded up to 39.29, and then back down to 39.10. Notice that it did not take out the initial low, 39.06. So from 39.10, the market started moving upwards. And so I took it to mean, or I estimated, that the intraday low was right here at 39.06. So what I did was I take my trading zone and I'm going to clone it, and I'm going to move it up to match the intraday low to get a sense of where the market should trade. And what I see was, in doing that, I estimated the market should trade up here at 39.73. And so I took a trade. Did set a stop, of course. I always set the stop. I took a trade and I closed it off when the market hit my target at 39.75, exactly where my trading zone numbers indicated the market would go. So that's how I use the Taylor trading technique. Now, this does not replace trade setups. The Taylor trading technique is a swing trading technique. It's not a setup technique. It's not a scalping technique. So that's how I use it. If you want to use it or try to use it in your paper trading, or even in your real trading, once you get familiar with it, you can get a subscription at my site at timelessdollar.com. At any rate, that's the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Trade with lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar.